on my YouTube, you'll be able to see me. If you want to subscribe, you can subscribe. Just search for Which Paragon channel, you'll be able to subscribe. Because YouTube give me a chance to share a screen, so I can be able to share my screen. Here, I can always slide my camera for you to see my screen. So we are discussing about okay, yeah, last week was fruitful. If you're with me, you're gonna get valued, and that's the truth. I won't give you signal, but I'll give you value. I'll give you something that could help you. But how can I start trading? You start trading first by learning it. The journey to start trading is all started by, first of all, learning it. If you don't want to learn it, you're not gonna get anything from it. That's the truth. So I'm currently live. Let me open the chat and see what's up for us um, this week, and what is gonna and what the my subscribers are gradually increasing. Yeah, they're actually increasing. Probably before the end of this month, I may get a quite number of people. I'm getting a lot of subscribers here. I'm opening the market now. Sorry, let me open it first before I could talk to you. Um, I trade currency as well. Mm, okay. I got good news for me. You know, I trade for companies. One of the companies I trade for, they just sent us a very big fund for us to trade. I trade for companies only. I don't trade for individuals. If I want to trade for you as an individual, it must be somebody that's like a high net worth individual. So they just sent me fund last week. It's a big broker. They're in the UK, they're in Africa, they're in EU, they're everywhere. And they sent me proposal to join them in trading. That was um, November. I declined it later. I accepted the offer. When they accepted my condition, then tomorrow the letter sent me. We now concluded all the arrangement and paperwork. And when I say paperwork, it's not like physical paper, like online onboarding. And like since we did it, I think before December, we did finish everything, but they did not do anything. So I thought probably they're not interested again. I told them, if you guys are not interested, we're gonna release you. So I shared the screen on my Instagram. If you check my Instagram, you see where I shared the screenshot. Because of data protection law, I'm not allowed to show some certain things because of these companies are regulated, so they have the data policy that must be observed. So I just like to launch some certain information and post it. So it's a nice one for me. It's a nice one for my team. That's one of the reasons why we are recruiting more traders who could trade, because some people are looking for pro firm account. Me, I'm looking for real money from companies, from real investors. I don't want where I will get a pro firm. Pro firm could be digital money. I don't know. It could be real money. So depending on who is giving it to you, it could just be credit. They credit to the account for you to trade. So it could also be real money. So we basically share information on last week. We shared information on US 30. We shared information on gold. We shared information on oil. The oil worked perfectly. We shared information on Euro USD. Yes, we shared information on Euro USD. Then we shared information on JBP USD. We shared information on USD JPY. We shared information on USD JPY. That one works as well. It dropped to 1.1460. Then we shared information on JBP JPY. That one also worked. So it dropped to 1.187. Then we shared information on I think I don't know what we shared on Chef, but Chef chat is here. I don't know what we shared on it. Then JBP USD. No, JBP Chef, we shared information on it. I will share my screen very soon. That one worked perfectly. Then we share information on I think US Canada. Yeah, this is no JBP card, and it also worked perfectly. Then we share information on US 100. It has not worked. The US 100 have not triggered, but it is still going to trigger. Then we share information on US card as well. Then it has also triggered. Euro USD triggered, but not, yeah. Euro USD triggered to 1.4. Let me check Euro USD. Euro USD triggered to 1.093. So the information was shared when it was here. Uh, uh, let me. I will share my screen now. The information. So these are the things that we did. That was perfectly okay. Okay. So let me share my screen now. Uh, yeah. Yeah. So, any of these instruments, which one were you able to trade? Which one worked better for you? Um, which one were you able to maximize, and which one works better for you? Let me hear your view so that before we could go on, because any moment from now, the market will open in the next 8 minutes. The market will open. If it didn't open now, it will open in the next maybe 30 minutes again after the 8 minutes. Opens, then we see where the market opens and see what's going to bring to the table. For those of you who want to join our hedge fund, you are welcome to join them. It's a very profitable one. We have our goal for the year. So now let me check. Show us the chart. Okay, somebody say AUD. Yeah, of course, I will show you the chart. I'm just started sharing it. It's loading. Let me be. Yeah, it has updated on the YouTube now, so people on my YouTube will be able to see it. Uh, yeah, the chart is. Mhm. Okay, perfect. So let me show you. Gold is AU, XAU. That's gold. So first of all, we had gold. This is gold. Um, yeah. So this is gold. Where we had the information on gold. So we discussed that gold is still very low. By that time, the price was around 2039. So it dropped a little. Sorry, the gold is still very high to buy, and that was what we agreed. Because price of gold have always been above 2000 and above now 1900 to consider the higher price to buying gold. And I told all of us that from what is happening here, there's nothing much happening here because it's not a very good time to even give a proper analysis. The market is just ranging between the same point since December last year, since December 13th. So if anybody investing on gold should not just like invest in a gold market has been there. No, gold is usually used for hedging. That's what many investors use in hedging on gold. Then oil, we share information on oil here. That was when the price was around 76. Now you can see that the price is already at 78. Okay, 83. And this one should be 70 something. That's WTI 70 something. Yeah. We shared similar information on a US 30. It didn't drop as expected, but it is still ranging within the same price. Last week, nothing happened much. Um, Last week or here, let me show you. So we didn't have much thing last week. So the market is still within the same range. So there's nothing is happening there. So anybody trading the account shouldn't bother much. Then we share information on JPPUS. We expected that it's potentially drop. So we had it was here that we shared the information. So we had a little drop. It has not really taken that, but we're still expecting a very much sharp drop, probably to this point or to this point, like to this point. I'm not using fundamental analysis. I'm using technical analysis for those who are trading the current. Then we share information here. That was this point. We're expecting a drop, so the market dropped to 1.147, and even dropped further to 1 point. Let me check the price when the market dropped. So it dropped to 1.146 before the tracing. And we also share information here well. That's JBP. That is JBP JPY. We're also expecting a drop. So as the market dropped, that was we did it on last week Sunday. 7 days now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's so the market dropped to this price before the recent back. So it is still valid because sorry, let me share the market dropped to this point and before the recent back. So it is still valid with the same place. It is still very valid. It has not broken the resistance. Then I can't remember what to share here because I didn't mark it. I don't know. People asked me to open all this chart, so I can't actually remember what was analyzed in this chart. Then we share information here. That is JPGF. That is when I dropped. You could see that the mark is still here. So you see that the market is, actually dropped to 1.1. This is very chart. Are you sure this is not today's market? This market is open or what? Yeah, so the market dropped to 1.109. Then we also, okay, card, I don't know what we share on card because I didn't mark it. Then we had a US 100, it's expecting a drop. So there was a little, the market is still within the same place anyway. So let's see what the market will bring this week. Now, that was what happened last week Sunday before the market started trading within the week. That was why I asked how many people captured the opportunity. What did you do with it? Do you maximize your potential opportunity, or you just like leave it and it's light that way? So you need to be able to like take advantage of all these opportunities. These are how we do when we want to identify potential opportunities. It really help us to to grow. Like sometimes when I come in here is when I used to get opportunity from people. When you ask me some things, we check the market to identify a lot of opportunities together and see. So do you have any suggestion? How was your own trade? What happened? While we are waiting the next 3 minutes for the market to open, let me know if you have any suggestion, any market we need to check for you, or whatever we need to do. Just let me know, like share the ideas together and see how we can like benefit from it. Are you having challenges with your trade? What is happening? Did you gain from it, or you are still like being arrogant with yourself? The one entrepreneur call it arrogant. They say people who are poor are arrogant people because if you give them opportunity, they will not start thinking, "Are you sure this is gonna work? Are you sure this is real?" They're not doing it, but they start asking you that they're being arrogant to themselves as well. Began to like everything why they are not even done anything. So he called it being arrogant. That's what people are not successful. So are you being arrogant to your trading or your investment journey or your business? You don't want to like take advantage of any potential opportunity you see. We deal on information. We deal on opportunities. Any opportunity I see, I try it out. I don't play arrogance. I try to doubt things. No. Someone say gold. I think gold will drop to 169. It's possibly it will drop because the price is very high and the traditional law is always there. Buy it at a higher price, sell at a lower. So buy it at a lower price, sell at a higher price. You can never rule out this rule. It's like a golden rule for businesses. You buy it at a lower price, sell at a higher price. So the price of gold obviously is considered anything from 1.9 is even considered high. 1.9 to 2,000 is considered the higher price for gold. Has been there for more than a year now. While 1.8, 1.7 is considered lower price. It's as simple as that. So if you are able to get it at when it's 2000, 2050, 2020, then it could like sell off. Then if you're able to see the price when it's 1.8, 1.7, 1.750, 1.6, then you immediately buy. Gold can only crash if there's something that the world will not hedge their economy or assets again with. Then they could like sell off more, or really move it to other things. Have you not seen before the pandemic, gold was during the pandemic, gold was the only asset that did not crash because of how um, how the world was moving. So the people of the world were navigating all their assets to gold. Somebody said, I think AUD should go high. So let's check AUD together. Let me bring up the chart. AUD USD should go. Oh, okay. Market have opened. Market just opened now, and it opened at a lower price. And as a jump, then it will go up. AUD USD potentially is gonna go up. AUD USD is potentially most likely gonna go up. Why? Someone should ask me why. Let me give you one secret. So the market just opened now. Let me show you. I'm sure many people are not read in the chat. We are up to 80 before on Instagram. Now the number has reduced, so probably they're not ready. So let me show you. The market just opened now, and there's a jump. There's a jump here. See this jump here? There's a gap. The market opened very low. Most likely, this gap may be covered. Have as a opportunity for people to use it to make money. And again, the market also at the edge of support level. Unless if the support is finally broken, then we could consider it going more down. Just as um which other information here? So let me check the YouTube if there's anybody there that's want to share a comment. Um okay, so let's check other market floor. The market just open. Let's check where Euro US open. Okay, Euro US open at the same price. Oil is yet to open. Let me check. Uh, Gold open almost at the same price with two gap. Gold just open as well. Um, okay, WTI open at 79. The WTI just opened. It opened at 79. And there's also a little jump on oil. 79. Yeah, it opened at a higher price, 79. So potentially it will drop. Um, Potentially to drop. It opened at 79. Um, Brent crude haven't opened yet. WTI just opened. It opened at 79. Brent crude has not opened. Let's check US 30. Yeah, yeah, US 30 just opened or the same price. Let's check. Hmm, okay, Canada, JPP can just open the currencies. US 100 also open, and it opened at and the price is also going low. Thank you, sir. I will leave soon. My battery is low. Yeah, sure. Um, the market just opened now, so we'll be expecting this gap on oil to be filled, to be completed tomorrow morning, or possible. Then it open at 79, and I'm suggesting the potential drop 79, 79. Oh, guys, this will present a very good opportunity for all of us. So you must not miss out for those that are going to trade. So finally, let's check what the market fundamental is talking about within the week. So to see if there's any serious event coming, we have uh, information coming up on AI, on AUD. That's on Wednesday. We have a non-farm employment change on USD. This week is a Christmas day uh, for all traders. Let me share the screen. You know, this week is a Christmas day for traders. I mean, this week is a Christmas week for all traders because we're gonna have on Friday unemployment rate US dollar, non-farm payroll US dollar, on average hourly earning in the US dollar. So kind of it's a non-farm payroll. Then we're also gonna have similar thing on because it's the first Friday of the month, so it's gonna be a very volatile. We're also gonna have Bank of England monetary policy reports. Others on Thursday. We have monetary on Thursday. That's on GBP. We're also gonna have NP social bank credit report, an official bank credit report as well for the new month. We're still gonna have on USD on Wednesday, federal fund rate, FOMC statement, and FOMC press conference. So these are very important factors you need to consider as a currency trader. Then we have CPI and two CPI, both quarterly and yearly, and we have consumer confidence on USD. That is on Tuesday. So this week is a week that if you're a trader, you must not miss the week. So you should be able to like take advantage of this opportunity and maximize what the week holds. So if you don't have any funded account, you should find make sure that you get a funded account and are able to maximize them. And by tomorrow or next, I will come up again with another update concerning this we have done now and see what the market holds, where the market is gonna lead us. But don't take chances concerning the gap on oil, the gap we see on on AUD USD. These are potential opportunities to be able to maximize. Is there any question so far? Any question? Okay, I can see there's no much question here. That's where we end it this night. I just want to have like 30 minutes of your time for us to analyze this market. So I wish you all the best. You could go back to sleep now. Bye bye.